Okay, I'm still obviously recovering from surgery. My daughter is on the porch though working. She has sessions, does client sessions as an LPCI Mondays and Wednesdays. She thinks I might catch sight of some hawks with my iPad video recorder.
Time down, it was about 30 of them right here.
If I could zoom in on
Know
some.
what is over here that they're so interested in.
Yeah, I don't see any now, huh?
Yeah, just them few right there. Yeah, towards the end of the mountain part, it was like 30 of them. And I knew it was a hawk because I seen a big one like come to join them.
Uh-huh.
I could tell he was big. I don't know if those are babies.
I see something little something. What is that?
Maybe they're babies.
Here's one little
It
one
was a
there.
good 3 or 4 of them yesterday. I just kept seeing them go up in there in them bushes at the top. Maybe they do have a nest or something over there.
Probably got nests. They nest up high, I understand. I see two. It's so cloudy. It's so overcast. Yeah, that sure was a good shot. I wish I could have got when that one was over here, just coasting, like gliding, just cruising. Windsurfing is what I would call it. Windsurfing. It wasn't even flapping its wings, man. It was just like soaring, soaring. Oh, see it. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. What the heck? Do buzzards fly up high like that? I think they do too, though. Yeah, it's a bunch of something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You think
6,
they buzzards?
7, 8. I don't know, girl.
I don't think they buzzards.
I do not know. Well, I'm getting some pretty good footage. When as I got it zoomed out, you know. Okay, I'm gonna go finish eating, and then look at this and
You see that one down there by the thing? That's a hawk, I'm sure. He's in the bushes now.
in the bushes now.
He's coming up by the bushes. He's going down. That was a hawk, I'm sure. Yeah, I think they're hawks, girl.
I don't know.
See him going in the bushes. They're flying down low by that bush.
Oh yeah, I see a couple of them up and down. Yeah. I hear little puppy babies. I want to see puppies. My neighbors seem to have some, maybe a litter. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. I'll be back, God willing. I'll be back.